Good morning. Let's start the new chapter Blanket of the Earth. Our Earth is the only planet known to have life. One of the reasons for the existence of life on Earth is the presence of air. It was through many revolutionary processes that an atmosphere which is suitable for the origin of life evolved on the Earth. It was the various phenomena that took place in various layers of atmosphere which shaped the earth as a living planet. From this chapter we can study about atmospheric composition, structure of the atmosphere and changing atmospheric conditions. What would happen if the earth had no atmosphere? No life would exist on the earth. The harmful rays coming from the sun would have reached the earth without any obstruction. Wind, rain, and dew would not have experienced. Hotter days and colder nights would have been experienced all over the world. Radio and TV broadcasts would not be possible. Birds would not fly and man could not conduct air travel. The earth would have become a silent planet since sound waves would not have formed in a vacuum. The earth would have suffered much more meteorite impact. As you know, atmosphere is the blanket of air surrounding the earth. Atmosphere is the blanket of air surrounding the earth. It is the atmospheric gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide which play a major role in maintaining the earth as a life supporting planet. Atmosphere is the blanket of air surrounding the plants are significant in regulating the amount of these gases in the atmosphere. It is through the process of photosynthesis that the plants gather energy for their growth. In this process, plants intake carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Let us see the constituents of the atmosphere other than the gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide and also their significance. Atmospheric composition. Gases, moisture and dust particles are the major constituents of our atmosphere that blanket our earth. It is the gravitational attraction of the earth that hold the atmosphere close to the earth. And which are the atmospheric gases? Look the given table. Here you can see the name of gases and the proportionate volume. Gases: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, ozone, neon, helium, krypton, hydrogen, xenon, etc. Gases, moisture and dust particles are the major constituents of our atmosphere that blanket our earth. It is the gravitational attraction of the earth that hold the atmosphere close to the earth. Almost all the gases in our atmosphere support the sustenance of life directly or indirectly. Observe the picture. You can notice the importance of gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen in the existence of life forms. Plants make use of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Man and other organisms make use of oxygen for respiration. Plants make use of nitrogen for their growth through nitrogen fixation. Water in the atmosphere. Water molecules are a major constituent in the lower parts of the atmosphere. As you know, water reaches the atmosphere through evaporation and causes cloud formation and rain. Water reaches the atmosphere through evaporation and causes cloud formation and rain. There is a spatial and temporal variation in the amount of water present in the atmosphere. Look at the factors influencing the amount of water in the atmosphere. Rate of evaporation will be high at places experiencing higher temperature. So, the water content in such places will be high. Rate of evaporation will be high at places experiencing higher temperature. So, the water content in such places will be high. The amount of water will be high in the atmosphere. Close to the surface water sources such as oceans, rivers and other water bodies. The amount of water will be high in the atmosphere close to the surface water sources such as oceans, rivers and other water bodies. Complete the given worksheet based on the fact discussed above. Dust particles. Other than gases and water content, dust particles also form part of the atmosphere. Look at the main sources of dust particles to the atmosphere. Dust particles brought to the atmosphere by wind. Dust particle erupted through volcanoes. Ash formed by burning of meteors. Smoke from factories. Other than gases and water content, dust particles also form part of the atmosphere. Which are the main sources of dust particle to the atmosphere? Dust particle brought to the atmosphere by wind. Dust particles erupted through volcanoes. Ash formed by burning of meteors. Smoke from factories. You have learned that there is frequent condensation concentrating around the fine dust particles in the atmosphere. As the fine dust particles in the atmosphere help in cloud formation, they are called as condensation nuclei. This presence of atmosphere extended to about 10,000 kilometers from the Earth's surface. But it is estimated that about 97% of the atmosphere air remains within 29 kilometers from the Earth's surface. The gases get rarefied with increasing altitude.